Welcome to Gaff Gators. I'm Lauren, and today we're talking about setting up a rehearsal room. When setting up a room for rehearsals here in SOTD, the first step is to think about what needs to be set up for that day. A typical setup includes a table or two and chairs for the stage management team and the direction team. All other chairs are usually stacked to one side of the room, and if there are blocks, screens, or other items in the room, move them out of the way. Then, set up the room for the first scene you are working on. In this instance, the first scene being worked on needs a small table and 2 chairs, demonstrated by a block and 2 chairs. This reflects the scenic design from the ground plan and shift plots, but until we have the actual set pieces, we use what we already have in the rehearsal space. If you're working on a musical, you may also need to lay down a number line and move a piano into the best position for that space. Any other rehearsal set pieces, props, and costumes should be collected from the scenic and costume hallways and brought to the rehearsal space. Keep these items close by, or at least within eyesight of the stage management team. Stage management team should arrive 30 minutes to 1 hour early in order to facilitate setting up the room. If chairs, blocks, screens, costumes, or other materials are needed at the start of rehearsals, set them up ahead of time. If they are needed later on in the day, have them nearby and available so you don't have to hold rehearsals to get them. Same thing goes for props. Set up your prop table at the beginning of the rehearsal period and include any props that will be used that day. Rehearsal is finished, reset the room by putting back all rehearsal set pieces, props, and costumes to their respective areas. If you borrowed materials from other studios, put them back. Each studio has a list of the materials that should be in each room, so double check that everything is correct. If you moved screens, pianos, or other large materials within your room, put them back where you found them, as classes will need them the next day. Once this is done, put team materials back on the mezzanine and lock up the building using the proper end-of-day lockup procedure. Thank you for watching today's video about setting up a rehearsal room. Until next time, this has been Gaff Gators with Lauren. Bye!